truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answer.
Hello YouTube family. Welcome back. If you're new here, what's up? Subscribe. So today I have for you guys this 4th of July inspired look. I used both affordable and high-end products, so if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. You guys, it's hot as balls today. Like, I'm literally melting. I don't know how I'm gonna get through this video. If I look pink, it's because I have this moisturizer on that has like these pink reflex whatever. It's actually really good. So I added more paintings to my background. They're all from HomeGoods, and you know when you go to HomeGoods and you see something that you really like, you have to get it that one time because you're never gonna see it again. So to start off, we're gonna go into the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I love this palette. It has neutrals and colorful shades. So this is what it looks like. This palette is so beautiful. So I am going to use this shade right here. So I'm gonna apply that light brown shade as a transition shade and all over my lid. Now I'm going to grab this bronzy gold shade from the same palette and put that all over my lid. I don't really celebrate 4th of July because we live in the hood, and honestly, celebrating 4th of July in the hood, it's like, you never know what's gonna happen. Is it gunshots? Is it fireworks? The world may never know. So to blend everything together, I'm gonna go into this brown shade right here. And I'm starting with the outer portion of my eye. So I did my wings and my eyelashes off camera. I used the NYX matte liquid liner, and I used these lashes from AliExpress. The liner is a bit dramatic, not by choice. I messed up, and you know, you gotta keep going. And the lashes, however, are dramatic by choice. You can definitely use some more toned down lashes, but I'm just using dramatic lashes because that's what I like. So for foundation today, I'm mixing these two together. This is the Lancome Teint Idole in the shade 420 and the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Syracuse. So this is a radiant foundation and this is a matte foundation. Actually more like a demi matte, but together they just look so beautiful. They make your skin look like velvet and they give you super full coverage. Tarte Shape Tape as concealer, you guys already know. So since it's hot as hell, we're going to be going back to our OG, the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder, and I'm going to use that to bake and set my base. So I'm gonna go into the deepest brown shade that we've got in this Tartelette Toasted palette. You can also use whatever brown shade you have. I'm just using this one because it's right in front of me and it's darker than the one we used to deepen up the eye look. And I'm gonna apply this underneath the eyeliner we just applied. I'm honestly just lining the outer portion of my eye with this brown. So underneath that, I'm going to apply the light brown we used as a transition shade and the deeper brown we used to deepen up the eye look up top. Now to highlight my inner corner, I'm going to use this champagne gold right here. I mean, at least you guys can see how pigmented it is. But I don't know what's happening to me today. I think it's because I'm not in the mood and like everything that could go wrong is going wrong. But you guys will not see that because my editing skills are A1. Okay, they're not A1, but they be tricking y'all. So to bronze up my face, I'm using the NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Medium. I'm using the Corallina blush by Milani. So for highlighter, I'm first going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlighter in the shade Gold Addict. And then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. So to finish off this look, it's only right that I use American Doll by Ebates. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope that you will enjoy your 4th of July. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.